Dial-A-Pin is a product that allows us to have more surfaces for wear and therefore longer life. What we were trying to do was to increase the life from 24 months on up to 36 months, and we've achieved it with Dial-A-Pin.
There's never been a product developed like this before. You're going to see a lot of people make the change. I think it'll really be a great advantage in their plants. It'll save them a lot of downtime, a lot of money.
We're able to change the wear surfaces during the life of the product, keep it in place, keep it in application, and then enjoy a longer life of the product. The concepts in the past have been one wear surface, or either that or a turning pin, so that we had equal wear on all surfaces, also invented by Frost in earlier years. But this is quite an improvement.
It's going to revolutionize the way that people look at buying their chain. So now when they look at the cost of the overall life of the chain, it's going to reduce it down a lot and also keep it well maintainable. As a chain wears through its life cycle, the customer can rotate the pin 120 degrees and do that 2 times to get extended life and longevity of the conveyor chain and the applications out there. This would bring you at least 50% more life of your conveyor chain as it goes through its life cycle. You can see here the conveyor chain is on number 1 here to the identifier, and when it comes time to rotate it, it's a simple portion of loosening the nut, rotating the pin to the number 2 cycle, and then tightening the nut back up. This can be done out there on the conveyor line without having to remove the conveyor chain or trolleys from the system. And then as it goes through the wear of the 2nd cycle and it comes time, it's a matter of loosening the nut again, rotating to the number 3 position, and then tightening the nut back up. And there you are to the number 3 position, which is bringing you down to the longest life you can get on a conveyor chain out there. The different materials are going to be available in the stainless as well as the carbon, and you'll be able to get the bolted style as well as the industry knows as the X-pin style. And with that in mind, it gives the customers more options.
Our standard chain lasts longer than our competitors to begin with, but this is just that much better.
The product itself will definitely outlast any products that we have previously put into the field. The nice thing is the price differential is very small, and yet what is to be gained is very great.